Inc. has been trusted by businesses, managers, and homeowners for their specialized cleaning services since 1998. Our professional certified technicians are trained to thoroughly assess your cleaning needs and exceed your expectations. Our main goal is to help businesses and families improve their indoor air quality. We offer air duct cleaning, carpet cleaning, upholstery cleaning, towel and grout cleaning, among other cleaning services to remove all contaminants in your business or home. By removing harmful bacteria, dust particles, dust mites, pet dander, pollen, lint, and more, we are promoting a cleaner, healthy air for all our occupants to benefit from. Cleaner air increases productivity, reduces energy used in your HVAC system, reduces allergies, headaches, and other respiratory issues. Perez provides our clients with fast, professional, industry-leading services when they need it most. If you would like to learn more about the services we provide, please visit our website or give us a call, and one of our professional representatives will gladly answer any questions that you may have. Thank you.